honestly song like this. GJ, GJ, my God, GJ.
I'm about that jacket shit and I damn near my tried too much for coil. I went in all that grip. That boy better shut the fuck up.
Let's see what you want, GJ.
Jerry Soda, baby toxic, they got team 12, all shit. We the SOG, nothing. Me and Swiss are fine, counting more than 5 30, shit green like a dollar. Spit it like we try to fight them. What's that out there we got on? Dear G, I don't want no George. She gon' put you on the floor. You know, so we throw our sword. You know what doing, grab a sword. He's 23, I'm 24. Like a red, look like Lord. Strategy is 904. I win Lizzie, he gon' score. I got rats, money galore.
Daily 50% and open of the imbalance, simple as fuck. And close. They don't do chores. I done pull up at the door. I can't open it 24/7, just please don't knock on the door. Doing port, I just always said, we just want some money. I'll get you. Money, young, that's it. I think if you shut up, you know, money erased, but just call me. Yeah. But my laptop hot as hell, dude. Hold on. How do I like get it to calm the fuck down? This shit, goddamn, feel like it's gonna explode, dude. Holy shit. That joint loud as hell. No, I'm actually never listening to fucking Lade. Like, got that shit on live. You and him. This on any fuck up, this ain't got your luck, right? Walking in the room, start walking with no shit.
A personal film about your life, communicating your feelings and something important that you care about.
I can see this.
For my project, I'm looking at
I'm too many, get on the all day. My thought process. Asia Low. The high gonna be goddamn around here somewhere. Whatever happens first. To sweep the highs and go lower. I want to see this go lower and retrace from here to go higher. That looks the best. Stay on track, nigga. Yeah, I am not the buyer. But she fired. Not too many, they got a solution now. How we have to keep it coming. On my side, damn. Okay, I got Okay, my thought process. Clear the fuck lead. Run an uptrend. So I'm gonna buy this bitch. If I can get down here. Other than that, Asia's gonna make a range. We might hold this high, might make a new high. And make the Asia range, goddamn. I don't know, bro. It's gonna do some, like, along the lines of manipulating, reversing, and continuing one way or the other. You know what I'm saying? Just gotta wait. I mean, it ain't nothing more to that. I don't really know how people do this, like, honestly. Like, dead ass. Because, like, it's gonna do something, bro. I just gotta react and see what the fuck it's gonna do, and it is what it is. Like, I can't sit here at an hour and 15 minutes before the session and be like, yeah, I can. And like, I will, dog. I feel like it don't even fucking matter until it comes around the time to execute. Yeah, I really hope my laptop don't blow up too, by the way. Whenever I run this OBS shit, that shit be goddamn. I might have got the wrong build. Yeah. Like I figured though, we're gonna make the high around here somewhere. I mean, like, if we keep reversing, I mean, that just makes fucking sense. It's not like I'm a genius type thing. It's just like, I mean, duh. Damn near. And that's the open. I mean, that actually makes fucking sense. But now we have equal highs. We're kind of doing the same thing we did yesterday. But yesterday it created the equal highs into New York, swept the Asia and then reversed. It took out Asia lows and reversed higher, took out Asia highs. We got liquidity on both sides. It's gonna manipulate one way or the other. It's a Wednesday too, so the market's gonna try to fuck you. And my shit's starting to move slow, so I'm finna turn this off. But I want to see this sell into the buy. EU trending down. We pushed this low, didn't close below. Divergence daily, pretty strong big rejection. Can't confirm below this. Didn't close below the body. Strong bullish indication. Also with the dollar indicating it wants to go lower. Rejecting off this imbalance daily. Can't close above. See right here. Can't close above this gap. And on EU, can't close below. So pretty good correlation there. I want to see us run the Asia high, push up, inverse this imbalance right here, and go higher. Pretty simple. That's what I want to see on EU. I want to see it continue to go lower if possible, but with that indication that we're going higher, I could see us possibly testing this high. I can see us testing this high right here, and also delete this, testing this Asia high as well. Test the weekly high, possibly. But at least I want to see us push up in here for EU. That's my outlook on EU. Yeah. This shit about to explode. Alright, EU is boom side, but cool. We had previous Asia highs around here, and I expected the highs to get ran. During London, they actually got ran at the end of Asia session. So this the current Asia high, and then of course the low. I still want to see, because we did inverse this imbalance and close above these highs, kind of. We did, so I want to see it continue higher, possibly. I didn't get an entry here just because it kind of was quick right at the beginning of the session, and I don't really want to enter before like 3:30. So we're gonna see what happens here. We can still break this high and get something, but nothing right now. But it is doing what I expected and flowing nicely. GJ, same thing with GJ. They ran the highs like right before Asian close or London open. So it still did manipulate like I expected. So I'm expecting it to continue lower. If we close ideally on a 30, I want to close below here. If we can, I want to see it retrace up into this imbalance right here. Somewhere in this range. Continue lower. Yeah, it's about almost 3:30. So I'm gonna cut this back on when I get a retracement or something. So in EU longs, we didn't hold this little imbalance we had up here, push lower, filled this imbalance, wick lower, and we're just getting good rejection. I mean, it's 4:30, damn near 5 o'clock. The dollar is correlating, rejecting as well. So it took the low, and now we're pulling back, kind of doing the same thing. So just the inverse. So yeah, that's that. 2-to-1, nothing crazy. Purple lines are the targets. This is an extended target, but yeah, man, I'll be back when this is over. All right, so recap, 2:35 p.m. I ended up getting smoked like a little bitch, like a fucking Swisher Sweep. I got smoked on this buy. What I could have done different, where I kind of fucked up, was this Asia low ended up kind of making equal lows with the London low here. I should have looked at that as equal lows as a target for sales instead of as if it, rejected and showed it couldn't close below. This is really just liquidity. So I should have looked at that as liquidity. But ideally, I mean, it didn't even break how I wanted to. We were supposed to break above the Asia high and close above for me to want to take a buy. None of that shit happened, and I still took a buy just solely off of this candle. Now it looks like it's gonna go higher because it swept the low, closed above, made a new high. Now we're kind of rejecting here. This really could go higher from here. But at this end of the day, I really don't fucking know. Those buys weren't really good. It was in a bad spot. Like, this was really a bad fucking trade. Like, I'll never take this shit again. Only way this would have been a good trade is if this shit would have like closed above, pulled back, and then went higher. But it never really closed above this fucking high or the Asia high. It just stayed in the range, but it tested the low, made equal lows. So that shit looked at like liquidity, equal lows, targets. And then since that had stopped, my dumb ass woke up. No, I wouldn't say my dumb ass, but I tweaked out this morning. Yes, I sniped this bitch the wrong fucking way. I projected GEJ to come into the zone, reject for the buys. And I told myself to even set the pending order. I didn't. And so I woke up and saw I was buying. So I'm just like, fuck it. The dumbest shit I could have done it was just fucking buy. I don't even know what the fuck made me buy. I think it was this. I bought off of this candle because it closed above, pulled back, and rejected this imbalance. I thought we were gonna go higher, and then I just am getting fucked. So, me not sticking to true analysis on EU. Yeah, Wednesday is a really like choppy, rangy. Like, they're hard to trade. You kind of have to be, really understand where you're at. And I understood where I was at and just kind of lost sight. Not sure why. I tweaked out. I really should have, if anything, just based off of the market structure we saw, instead of fucking buying, I should have looked at the equal lows, and just been like, okay, this is kind of the selling range. I had it drawn out, and like, say I would have sold here. I mean, I'm not even about to draw the short tool, but it would have taken out the lows, and that would have been good. But so ended up losing 2% yesterday. My chart looks fucking ugly. I'm about to delete this shit. I'm gonna chart back up in a minute, see what the fuck popping. The dollar is still goddamn. I still want to see the dollar go lower to go higher. Still, today's just been a slow fucking chop. There must be like hella news tomorrow or something. Market might have been waiting for minutes meeting today at 2 to see what it really wants to do, but midweek reversal. I should have expected GJ sales. I should have I don't know. The buy was the dumbest shit I could have did, and I gotta fucking look within on that one, because that shit was pure FOMO, and that's not good. So yeah, down 2% on the day. We finna go into Thursday. I'm gonna see what's popping next session. Yeah.